Ever wondered about the secret to instant hair growth or how to tackle those stubborn hair problems we all face? Today, we delve into a DIY hair oil recipe that not only promotes rapid hair growth, but also addresses a multitude of hair issues. Imagine a potion that's not just effective, but also simple to whip up in your own kitchen. A blend of natural oils, each with their own hair benefits, working synergistically to give you the mane of your dreams. Stay tuned as we unveil the secret recipe to healthy and fast-growing hair. Our magic potion is made up of 3 primary oils: coconut, castor, and amla oil. Let's take a closer look at each one. Coconut oil is a natural conditioner known for its deep moisturizing properties. It nourishes the scalp and removes any buildup, fostering a nurturing environment for your hair to grow. Next, we have castor oil. A powerhouse in promoting hair growth, it enhances blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow directly contributes to faster hair growth, nurturing the health of your hair follicles. Lastly, we have amla oil. It's a staple in traditional Indian hair care, and for good reason. Amla oil strengthens the hair, reduces pigment loss, and prevents premature graying. It's a wonder oil that tackles multiple hair issues at once. Together, these oils create a powerful blend that addresses a multitude of hair issues. Each oil brings its unique benefits to the table, creating a potent mix that's sure to give you the luscious locks you've been dreaming of. Now, it's time to create our hair growth elixir. To embark on this journey, you'll need coconut oil, castor oil, amla oil, and a selection of your favorite essential oils. These ingredients together create a potent blend that not only stimulates hair growth, but also tackles an array of hair problems. Start by taking a clean glass container. Pour in half a cup of coconut oil, your base for this hair potion. Coconut oil is a natural emollient that deeply nourishes the scalp and removes any buildup, paving the way for healthy hair growth. Next, let's add in our growth booster, a 1/4 cup of castor oil. This oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a potent ingredient known to enhance blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow is what makes your hair follicles healthier and promotes faster growth. The third key ingredient is amla oil. Pour in a 1/4 cup of this green gold. Amla, a traditional remedy in Indian hair care, strengthens your hair and prevents pigment loss. It's a secret weapon for maintaining the lushness and vibrancy of your hair. Now that we have all our main oils in the jar, it's time to mix. Stir gently until the oils have fully blended. The combination of these nutrient-rich oils creates a synergistic effect that provides essential nutrients for your hair health, addressing multiple hair issues simultaneously. Once the oils are mixed, it's time to add in the power of aromatherapy. Add about 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oils. Lavender is a great option, not only for its hair benefits, but also for its stress-relieving properties. It adds a calming effect to your hair care routine, enhancing overall well-being. Give your potion one last stir to ensure the essential oils are well incorporated. You now have your very own DIY hair growth oil, a potent blend that's not only beneficial for your hair, but also a treat for your senses. And there you have it, your very own homemade hair growth oil. But we're not done yet. Let's add some essential oils to boost the scent and benefits of our hair oil. Now, essential oils, they're not just about making things smell nice. They bring a whole range of benefits to the table. Take lavender, for example. It's a popular choice for hair care, not just for its soothing scent, but it's also known to improve hair growth and reduce stress. Yes, you heard it right. While your hair is soaking up all those nutrients from the coconut, castor, and amla oils, the lavender works its magic, calming your mind and making your hair care routine a holistic experience. You might also consider adding rosemary or peppermint oil. They are known to stimulate hair growth and give your scalp a refreshing tingle. Remember, a little goes a long way with these potent oils. Just a few drops will do. With these essential oils, our hair oil is now complete. Now that our hair oil is ready, it's time to learn how to use it effectively. You see, application truly matters. The key here is to massage the oil into your scalp. This not only helps in better absorption of the oil, but also boosts blood circulation to the scalp. And as we've learned, increased circulation is essential for the health of our hair follicles. So how do you do it? Start by parting your hair into sections. This ensures that every part of your scalp receives the love it deserves. Then, using your fingertips, gently massage the oil into your scalp. Don't rush this process. Take your time. You want to make sure that the oil is well absorbed. Now let's talk about timing. For maximum effectiveness, consider leaving the oil on overnight. This allows the nutrient-rich ingredients ample time to work their magic. It's like a spa treatment for your hair while you sleep. Just make sure to cover your hair to protect your pillow and sheets. And don't worry, this won't leave your hair greasy. The oil will be absorbed by your scalp and hair, nourishing them from within. As an added bonus, this process can also be incredibly relaxing. The act of massaging along with the calming scent of the essential oils can help relieve stress and enhance your overall well-being. It's a hair care routine that also doubles as a self-care ritual. But remember, consistency is key. For visible results, it's important to use this DIY hair oil regularly. With consistent application, you'll start to notice significant improvements in your hair's texture, strength, and growth. Your hair will not just grow faster, but it will also be more manageable. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use your DIY hair oil. It's a small addition to your routine that can make a big difference in your hair health. With regular use of this DIY hair oil, you'll see significant improvements in your hair's texture, strength, and growth. Let's quickly summarize the steps in making our DIY hair oil. We start off with the nourishing coconut oil, which does a great job of removing any buildup on our scalps. Next, we add in the castor oil. This oil is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting blood circulation, which directly contributes to faster hair growth. Then we incorporate the amla oil, a traditional remedy that has proven its worth by strengthening our hair and preventing pigment loss. Now, we can't forget about the essential oils. These not only give our DIY hair oil a delightful scent, but they also provide additional benefits for our hair. And the best part? This hair potion is so easy to make, with simple steps that anyone can follow. Application, of course, is just as important as the creation process. Massaging the oil into your scalp ensures better absorption and even more benefits. Leave it on overnight if you can to maximize its effectiveness. After all, who doesn't love a beauty treatment that works while we sleep? Now, let's talk benefits. This nutrient-rich blend addresses multiple hair issues simultaneously, from dryness to breakage to slow growth. With regular use, you'll see significant improvements in your hair's texture, strength, and overall health. You'll notice not just enhanced growth, but also better manageability. This is more than just a hair growth solution. It's a total hair care treatment. And let's not forget the added bonus of stress relief. The calming scent of essential oils like lavender enhances your overall well-being, turning your hair care routine into a relaxing ritual. But perhaps the most rewarding benefit of all is the boost in confidence that comes with healthier hair. When your hair looks and feels great, it can positively impact your self-esteem and everyday interactions. Remember, consistent application leads to enhanced growth and healthier hair. So why wait? Start your journey to luscious, healthy hair with this DIY hair oil today. So there you have it, a simple, effective solution to all your hair problems. A concoction of nutrient-rich oils that not only promotes hair growth, but also addresses various hair issues. This DIY hair oil, a blend of coconut, castor, and amla oils with a dash of your favorite essential oils, is a testament to the power of natural ingredients, nourishing your scalp, promoting blood circulation, strengthening your hair, and even providing a calming effect, all from the comfort of your home. Imagine the transformation that awaits your hair, from dull, lifeless strands to vibrant, strong locks. The beauty of this recipe lies not only in its effectiveness, but also in its simplicity. Just a handful of ingredients, a few simple steps, and voila! You have your very own hair potion, tailor-made to suit your needs. Consistent application of this oil will lead to significant improvements in your hair's texture, strength, and overall health, promoting not just growth, but also manageability. And let's not forget, healthier hair boosts confidence, allowing you to shine in your everyday interactions. So why not give it a try? Whip up your batch of this magical DIY hair oil and watch your hair transform. The journey to healthier, happier hair is just a few drops away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty and wellness tips. Until next time, here's to healthier, happier hair.